Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Audi Q7. Elegant, functional, nimble, and the list goes on. It is impossible to limit the attributes of the Audi Q7 to just a few. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, low tire pressure warning, leather shift knob. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.